Subic Bay Radio. That was the song from Omi, Hula Hoop. Same guy who gave us the hit song Cheerleader. If you guys still remember Cheerleader, syempre naman, mabago-bago lang yun, kailan lang. And just before that one, requested song, music coming from Dawin. In fact, one of today's most requested still. The song is called Dessert. In part, we are to blame Wally Bayola sa kasikatan ng song na yon. Even Dawin thanked him, in fact, di ba? Yung mga Aldab Nation, yan, pinasalamatan ni Dawin. Tapos pumost pa siya ng pabebe wave na picture. Iba talaga ang influence ng Pinoy, ano? Worldwide ang impact. Ayan. Okay, so welcome back, people. Check the time. It's now 12:27 in the noon time. Time check brought to you by PLDT Subictel DSL. Live streaming of 89.5 My Subic Bay Radio, powered by PLDT Subictel DSL. And they are inviting you to check out PLDT's fiber, now available in Biniktikan, Kalayaan, and QB. And the latest addition to that, the Central Business District area of the Subic Bay Freeport. PLDT fiber, trust me, it's the fastest, most powerful internet because it's fiber. All right? So call them up, 252-2375, or email sales@subictel.ph for more inquiries. Hiningal ako dun sa sinabi ko, ang dami. And right about now, speaking of madami, eto, million volunteer run of the Philippine Red Cross happening this Sunday. And to tell you more about it, of course, ang suki na natin we call her Ate Mengay, you know? Yeah, si Ate Mengay of the Philippine Red Cross Olongapo chapter. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Sir Tommy.
Don't call me sir. Don't call me ma'am din, ha? DJ Tommy na lang.
It's a deal. Pala.
Alright, sige, imbitahan mo sila or tell them more about it.
I'm glad to hear the word suki, DJ Tommy, kasi sa amin din maraming suki. At lahat yan ng taga Olongapo. Suki ng Philippine Red Cross Olongapo chapter yan.
Nice.
You are very correct when you said that we are back, and this is for the Million Volunteer Run 3. This is a run for humanity. Pangatlo na to, DJ Tommy.
Pangatlo
so,
na, yeah.
the previous run, which is the second wave, has been 2 years ago.
Okay.
And then 3 years back pa from that time was the very first.
The very first one.
Opo. And I should say, hindi na bumababa ang number ng runners kasi ganun na lang.
Pataas.
Opo.
Nice.
Ang support ng mga taga-Olongapo, and surprisingly pati hindi taga-Olongapo nagre-register na din. Because I also want to share with everyone who is listening right now that those who are not in their hometowns, let's say for example from Zambales or from other areas po, pwede rin naman po mag-register sa pinakamalapit na chapter ng Red Cross nila.
Alright.
Yan. But as far as the Olongapo chapter is concerned, that is correct. We are running on December 13.
Okay.
That's on a Sunday. At may kasama pa akong kilala mo.
Sino?
Si DJ Tommy.
Oh, tatakbo rin? Hindi yata makatakbo yun eh.
Magsusurpresa silang lahat kasi magiging part nun. So,
it's this Sunday na. Yeah.
Yes, this Sunday. It's the gun start will be at around 6 a.m. But 4 a.m. pa lamang po, nandun na ang team ni Red Cross para sa mga magzuzumba warm-up.
May mga warm-up pa.
Tama
Siyempre
po.
naman. That's very important.
Yes. For the MVR3, by the way, ang ating project or goal for the fund that will be raised, kasi po may registration fee po ito, ano po? For every runner po, the registration is at 400 pesos.
Okay.
Fixed po siya para sa isang runner na makakatanggap ng kanyang singlet, ng kanyang race bib,
Alright.
at ng runner's card. And
Okay.
the proceeds, I said, will be allotted for ambulance equipments po and vehicles.
And a lot of people or everybody knows naman whenever it's something organized by Red Cross, it's always for a good cause.
Right.
Diba? Lagi naman yan eh. Siyempre, they're the Red Cross, of course. Everybody knows that
Opo.
naman. Yeah.
Ang nakakapagpa-alarm po kasi sa lahat po ng Red Cross Safety Service people po, no, is the disasters that are coming. So minsan meron tayo talagang hindi naman mapa-perfect lagi
Yeah.
na mga equipment and operations pagdating ng mga, alam nyo na po, yung baha, ano po, at yung mga other calamities. So in order for the Red Cross to be more equipped and more updated on how to actually rescue and save lives during these tragedies, kakailanganin po natin yung mga updated din na vehicles. And at the same time, etong mga equipments na to, hindi naman po pwedeng gumana na lang ng equipment
Ng sarili
lamang
lang
siya.
nila. Yeah.
That's
Oo,
right.
yeah.
So we will have to train more personnel and more volunteers, I should say, na maging specialized dun sa paggamit ng equipments na to that are life savers.
Yeah, plus maintenance of the vehicles and the
Exactly,
equipments na rin.
DJ. Apo.
And this kind of event helps them keep doing all those things that they need to do. Yung mga
Right.
ganito, kaya dapat lang nasuportahan ng sambayanan.
Opo.
May I ask, is this simultaneous with other chapters or dito lang to sa atin sa
yes,
Olongapo?
the concept actually is to be simultaneous. However, I should also be informing everyone that there are chapters in the country who decided we were given po the option po kasi nga. So others po are running 2 times. They'll be having a December run and at the same time a February next year.
Okay.
So there are chapters naman po na December lang din. So for Olongapo chapter and for I should say Zambales, I know that we are both running po this December.
So this is the hours yung sa atin, December
Yes,
13.
that's right.
This coming December 13 na Sunday. And sa mga gusto pang sumali, pwede pa, no?
Pwede po. They can visit us at the PRCOC chapter building located at number 39 Magsaysay Drive, East Tapinac, Olongapo City.
Along Magsaysay Drive. Alam
Yes.
naman ng lahat yung Red Cross building dyan, yung magandang building na bagong-bago
Hindi
na.
naman po masyado.
Yeah. Okay, so you just guys go there if you wanna join. And on the spot din, on the day itself, pwede rin ano? Pwede pa
I
rin?
was informed by my administrator that there is a chance na po pwede
Na
po.
pwede pa.
Although I would like to remind at the same time to request
Yeah.
na it's better po na makapag-register ng
Ahead.
mas maaga.
Yeah.
Opo, para
Much better.
ma-avoid po natin yung mga last minute problems.
Yeah, in everything naman, it applies generally. In everything, it's better early. It's better to be early in a lot
Tama
of
po,
things.
tama po.
Yung isang kasabihan na contrary naman doon, better late than pregnant. Na joke
You have
lang.
a point.
Yeah.
Ay, DJ Tommy, may reminder pala
Opo.
ako.
Sige, go
Baka
ahead.
po yung iba nating mga listeners nagdadalawang isip to register because they are a PWD or he or she is having a disability. We have a conceptualized route wherein there will be a lane exclusive for PWDs
Oh,
and
nice.
for our senior citizens. So, by the way, sabihin ko na rin po, DJ Tommy, that the start line will be at the SM City Olongapo.
Sa harap po ng SM City.
Sa may, kung alam po natin yung Green Hills Lane area.
That road, yung Gordon
kalihong
Avenue.
yun, Gordon Avenue, yes, that's right. Na magkakaroon po ng start line, yung arko po ay doon nakapwesto.
Okay.
And then as the runners take off, the PWDs and senior citizens take the left turn.
Magle-left turn
Left
sila.
turn, opo.
Pero the regular
Regular
runners,
runners will take
those
the
who are
right.
physically fit and
Yes, opo.
kakanan.
For this 3K run.
Okay,
Opo.
nice.
Ang ating intention dito is to avoid, discrimination and at the same time din po yung mga accidents. Ayan, hindi po sila
Parang naman
mag-join.
hindi kasi syempre iba yung takbo ng those who are physically
That's right.
active
Opo.
and healthy compared
Opo.
sa That's nice. That's a good concept.
Yes po. Ang PWDs and senior citizens are going to take the WOW entrance to the Remy Field. Yan
Okay.
po, para mas safe sa kanila.
Alright.
And then, same entrance din po ng regular runners, although medyo malayo ng konti ang kanilang tatahaking
Iikot muna sila.
ruta.
No?
Opo.
Yan.
Kasi po, yung jungle area, DJ Tommy, all the way to the side of the James Gordon Hospital, ang kanilang papasukin going
Dadaanan.
to the SPMA.
Okay, ayan. So, magkita-kita po tayo on Sunday. This coming Sunday na, December 13. Anything else you would like to add, ma'am?
So far for the MVR3, siguro po magpapasalamat na po ako habang
Sige,
maaga
go
pa
ahead.
sa lahat na nag-register.
Okay.
Because for the moment, DJ Tommy, I can confirm that we have 1,000 runners already and
Nice.
counting. Apo, I hope na pag nakita tayo ulit sa Sunday, magkaroon tayo na idea kung ano na yung final na
Count
count.
natin,
And I should also be thankful also for the other people who are behind this. Of course, the members of the board of directors,
Alright.
headed by our our local chapter chairman, Catherine H. Gordon,
Alright.
for the endless support po to the chapter. She goes po out of her way to speak with her friends and her colleagues para po talaga suportahan itong MVR3 na ito. Also, the other members of the board, kilala na po nila ang kanilang mga sarili. Salamat po
Yeah.
sa inyong pagsuporta sa pag-invite din ng kanilang families and friends to join this run, which is basically a non-competitive fundraising activity. So yung iba ho, DJ Tomic, I get a lot of questions, no? Kung merong mga ilang distansya na takbuhan.
Sige, go ahead.
This is a reminder po for those who will be joining the run. Again, this is non-competitive, so wala pong
Walang
pabilisan o
pabilisan or,
palayuan
palayuan.
ng takbo. Opo. All
It's purely
intended-
fun run talaga.
That is
Fun
right.
run.
All intended for the fun of it, and maybe to give a start to the beginner runners, no? Kasi iba, di ba?
Yeah.
First time nila. And then from this fun run, mas ma-develop pa nila yung
Yeah.
interest in joining other runs. Also, thank you sa lahat ng mga walk-ins na nag-donate ng kanilang registration na fees para sa run na to. And I hope to see all of them. Lahat po ng estudyante, lahat din po ng professionals na sumuporta.
Everybody sa mga sumuporta, tumulong. Salamat. Ayan. So fun run, ika nga. You know the last fun run I joined?
Saan?
From start to finish, tumatawa ako. Tapos when people ask, well, why are you doing that? Kasi nga, fun run. I'm just kidding. But make it fun.
Yeah, it's funny.
Kaya nga,
Funny run.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you for dropping by.
Thank you also.
Madam Menga, as we call her. Ayan. May I ask, bakit
Sure.
Menga yung naging parang official moniker mo? Ever since ba talaga? Since you were in school or?
Ano po, are you really sure you wanna know? You caught me unprepared. But anyway,
yeah.
there is a really...
A little bit of FYI.
There is a really more original Mengay. Yan. Sana maging interesting enough. There is another person who is named Mengay talaga as her nickname. And she is my auntie.
Okay,
And it
there
so
you go.
happened that cousin siya ng mother ko. Best
I see,
friends
I see.
sila. Yan. And
Are you
she...
talking about the Mengay that was in the local showbiz industry before?
Hindi
Kasi may
po.
Mengay character in the local showbiz
I
noon.
know, I know.
Okay.
It
I
wasn't
thought
her.
she's the one you're talking about.
Po.
But anyways,
But I should
nonetheless.
say, baka
anywho,
pareho
yeah.
ng era. And so,
Mm-hmm.
I was named after her because my mom loves her so dearly. And she said, you know, when I get the chance to be a mother, I wanna name my daughter after you. Nickname na
Nickname
nga
lang naman.
Opo.
Kasi her real name is a beautiful name. I'm not saying the name guys. It's a bit funny. Syempre, it's
Yes.
one of the Pinoy funny names, you know?
That's
like
right.
Burokotoy.
Pati nga po si,
Diba?
ano
May mga ganun.
Yaya Dabdaoy,
Yaya Dab-
Mengay pala yun.
I see, di ba?
Opo.
Filipinos mahilig sa ganyan eh, yung funny names for their kids.
That's right.
Like Burnok, Kutsukoy, Tetay, yung
Ikaw
mga
ba,
ganyan.
DJ Tommy? Ano bang iyong sweet call name yun eh? Sweet
When I was little, they used to call me a lot kamote.
kamote.
Oh, dahil daw nung bata ako, ang takaw ko raw sa kamote, sabi.
Oh.
Yun.
So siguro, may iba ang aroma.
I love kamote Q kasi and pati yung nilaga na kamote.
Ay, ako din.
Yeah.
So hindi na ako magtataka
Yeah.
kung iba ang aroma ng bahay. I'm just joking.
Yeah, I know it's true. Yeah, it's
Diba?
okay.
I love kamote as well.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Alright.
that's how it came to be,
ayan.
Mengay.
Mm-hmm.
And to finish that story, what's amazing is that the original Mengay is also a medtech, like I came to be.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, nice.
Yun lang.
Talagang may connect.
Trivia,
no?
di ba?
Yeah, nice.
Ayun po.
Okay, so it's always fun to talk about, things like that are like random and yung ganung bigla-biglaan. FYI, people. All right. So there you go. Again, thank you for dropping by and sharing this beautiful piece of info. I'm talking about the Red Cross info and
Yes.
and the personal info na rin, kasama na rin. Interesting, really. Yeah, okay. And do support the Million Volunteers Run this coming Sunday, December 13. Kita-kits po tayo, mga kababayan. Ayan. Okay, so going back to your requested songs, somebody asked for this music coming from Little Mix, and the song is called Black Magic. Here it is, 895 My Subic Bay Radio.